In this video, we're going to make a Christmas angel for our Christmas tree. Let us show you how. We do this because it reminds us of the angels that told the shepherds that Jesus had been born and worshipped him in the fields. The white angels are the ones that we made last year. To make the angels that we are making this year, you will need 2 pieces of pattern paper, a pipe cleaner, a wooden bead for the head, a pair of scissors, a ruler, a glue stick, a pencil, and some markers. So we started off letting everyone choose which colored papers they would like to use. Then each person chooses which piece of pattern paper they would like to use as the angel's dress and cut it into a square. Then we cut the paper for the arms into a square with sides of 15 centimeters. Then fold both squares into concertinas. Fold the angel's dress concertina in half and paste the inner sides together. Fold the angel's arm concertina in half and paste them to the dress. Now she's beginning to take some shape. Next up, we threaded the pipe cleaner through a bead and shaped the short side into hair. Then thread the long side through the hole in the angel's dress, near the fold. Thread it through the bead. Make a loop to hang it on the Christmas tree and then bend into a hair shape on the other side of the angel's face. Cut off a bit if necessary. Use markers to draw a pretty angel face on the front. Hang up on the Christmas tree. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. So now for the real deal. When I was a child and before I had kids, I always imagined that I would make this really beautiful Christmas tree and have these amazing decorations all around my house. But our Christmas tree and our home decorations are definitely not going to appear in any magazine or Pinterest board. My kids are really involved in putting up the Christmas decorations, and their ideas are really different from what mine are. And I can't sneakily go and change something that they have done, because they would notice immediately. My kids also come and play in the Christmas tree regularly. They bring their small toys and Lego or Sylvanian families and come to live in the tree as their home. We've also had toddlers and small children in the house, so no present is safe under the tree. So they have to be stacked somewhere else, up high to remain safe until we can open presents. Life also happens. Piano is played, crafts are done, and all sorts of things get stuck amongst the beautifully laid out decorations over time. The only way to get the perfect Christmas tree and home decor is not to allow the kids to touch anything. And I'm not that kind of a mom. So maybe one day, when I'm old and all alone, I will have the perfect Christmas tree. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again next week. Bye.